How to create a WordPress website design using Elementor. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can design your very own website using Elementor. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to sign into your WordPress website, and you have to have the business account. Otherwise you can't use the plugin. So over here I have two accounts opened up. This is one I have bypassed that, and this one is the one without the payment added. So over here, as you can see, it's telling me to upgrade, and if I come over here into the plugins area, if I click on the plugins, as you can see, you have to upgrade to the business plan to install the plugins. Otherwise you can't install it. You can either buy the plugins, but you still can't install it because you'll have to have the business plan. Whereas in this one, I have, bypassed it using another software called Pantheon.io. I'm going to take you over to that dashboard right now. So this is a website that is completely free. You can go ahead and create an account on it, and then you can just simply create a website. And once you create a website, you can install WordPress on it. And once you've installed WordPress, you can just simply use WordPress as your main website. And that's how it basically works. So if I come over here into the plugins area, as you can see, I have a bunch of different options, and as you can see, I have a bunch of plugins installed already. So in this one, we can't do it. We have to have the business plan. So Pantheon is a great way if you don't want to pay for WordPress, but the downside is that the domain name is going to be very long and very weird. So I would recommend buying the subscription as well. So first things first, what we need to do is we need to install Elementor. As you can see, I've already installed it, and to install it, all you have to do is just search for Astra over here. As you can see, we have this template over here. We have to install the starter templates over here. Since we have already added it, it's already over here, and we just simply go over and see the library, and over here we have a bunch of different templates that we can use from. So what type of website are we trying to create? It all depends on you. You have a bunch of different templates over here. You can go ahead and create one for yourself over here using the starter template from Astra. And let's just assume that this is the website that we're trying to create, right? The fashion one. We just simply click on it and it'll open up. Over here you can upload your logo, your file over here, and then you can change the height and width of the logo, and the logo will appear over here if you have one. If you don't, you can keep it. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and upload a logo over here. Upload a file, select my logo. I'm going to choose this small little heart. I'm going to select this image, and boom, as you can see over here. Then all I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply lower it down so that it looks really nice. All right, like I think that looks nice. Then we'll just simply click on continue, and we can go ahead and choose the overall theme of the website, like the color palette. So over here we have all these different colors, so I'm going to choose this red one. I think it looks really nice. Yeah, pinkish reddish color. Yeah, I think it looks really nice. And then we have the fonts over here. We can change the fonts as well. So as you can see, depending upon what type of font you use, it all looks good. I think I'm going to use this one because over here it looks much more cleaner, and everything is just in just one consistent line, and it's not overlapping each other. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to click on continue, and I'm going to wait. And over here it says one last step, and over here we'll have to install the website over it. So just wait a couple of seconds for it to install the theme, the plugins, the fonts, and etc., so that your website is good to go. So just wait a couple of seconds for all of it to be installed, and then we can go ahead and start editing the website. Okay, so as you can see, now it's installed. It took 1 minute and 32 seconds to install it. Let's go ahead and view our website. And over here, this is how it looks like. So as you can see, this is the website. It looks pretty nice. Now we can go ahead and start editing it to our requirements. So to edit it, we have a bunch of different options over here. We have edit with Elementor or customize it with WordPress editor. So we're going to edit it with Elementor. Wait a couple of seconds for the editor to load up, and once it's loaded up, you're good to go. Now you can go ahead and start editing this website. So depending upon you, you can just go ahead and start editing it whatever one you want, and it's very simple. All you have to do is just hover your mouse over it, and as you can see, as I hover my mouse over a subject, it highlights that subject, and we can just simply click on it and start editing it. So we can just go over here and we can change all of this to this text to over here. As you can see, we can change it to welcome or whatever we want, and that's how it looks like. And we can go ahead and start editing this section as well. So what if we wanted to change the background image? So all we have to do is just click over here, and over here on the left side we go back over here in style, and we can go ahead and change that. Let me just go back over here. As you can see, let's go over here, and over here we have all these different options in front of us. So we have the basics, we have the pro, we have the general, we have the site as well, as you can see. So if I click over here, it selects that section, and over here, as you can see, we have three options. We have either delete the section, edit the section, or we can add a section. Let's go ahead and click on edit a section, and it'll open up this page. And in here we just simply click on style, and we just simply choose an image that we want. So you can choose whichever image you want. These are all the images that are available over here. You can choose whichever image you want. We have free images over here, which is powered by Pixabay. So we can go ahead and start adding our own images. So over here we'll just search for model, because that's what we want at the top image. So we can choose whichever image we want, and we can go ahead and choose whichever we think looks nice. So I think that this image would look pretty cool, but it's in a square. I think we should go for a more rectangular image, something like this. I think I selected the wrong one. Wait, where did it go? Scroll down. It's still loading up a bunch of different images, and yeah, I think this one would look good. The last one was in square, this time it's in rectangle. So we'll go ahead and choose this image. We'll just simply click on insert media, and boom, as you can see, the image has been changed, and this is how it looks like. And we can go ahead and add a background overlay if we want to. It all depends on us, it all depends on you as well. And we can change the background. We have the normal, and then we have the hover. We have like we can change the positioning of it. We have the attachment if we want. It's either scroll or fixed. It all depends on you. Right now it's fixed, and then we have the repeat and stuff like that. So that's how you basically edit that section. And if you want to delete it, just simply hover your mouse over it and click on delete, and it'll delete that section. So over here, what if we wanted to delete this section? All I had to do was click on delete, and boom, there you go. The section has been completely deleted, and now we are good to go, and we can go ahead and start editing other things as well. And we have widgets over here. We can go ahead and add widgets over here depending upon our own choices, and we can change these logos. We can change everything we want. It all depends on us. So as you can see, it's very easy. It's very helpful. And once you have edited your site, just keep on updating it, right? Meaning saving it after every edit, because what if you lost your connection? Then your site would be incomplete. So make sure you save all of your changes as well. And once that's done, all you have to do is just simply click on these three bars and click on exit to dashboard, and it'll take you back to the WordPress dashboard. And don't worry, your website has been edited and it's saved, so you don't have to worry about that. And over here, if we go ahead and visit our site, this is how it will look like. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. Pretty nice. So that's how you basically use WordPress and how you can use Elementor to edit your sites. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. Having said that,